Good morning, viewers. I'm Dr. Rajpal. Welcome to TEC, that is Transform and Impart Through Communication, an online platform for learning of English, communication, reading the newspaper, the Hindu, and so many expert talks and book analysis. Today's news is the Green Warrior passes away. Green Warrior, Gandhian follower Sundarlal Bahuguna passes away at the age of 94 owing to complications of COVID-19. और हम सब उनके जीवन से क्या सीख सकते हैं? Gandhi once said, "My life is my message." खैर, सुंदरलाल बहुगुणा ने अपने बारे में ऐसा क्लेम नहीं किया, बट मेरा व्यक्तिगत ये विचार है कि सुंदरलाल बहुगुणा का जीवन भी अपने आप में एक मैसेज है, एक बहुत बड़ा मैसेज है जिससे हम बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं। बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसे हैं जो काफ़ी व्यापक सतह पर की जाती हैं और उनके लिए बहुत सारी जिद्दोजहद करनी पड़ती है, बट उनके जीवन से हम ऐसी चीज़ें भी हैं जो पर्सनल लेवल पर, अपने इंडिविजुअल लेवल पर हम सीख सकते हैं और उन चीज़ों को सीख कर अपने जीवन में अपना कर हम अपने जीवन को नए मूल्य दे सकते हैं और हमारे जीवन को और बेहतर बना सकते हैं। ऐसी कौन सी सारी बातें हैं इस वीडियो में मैं आपसे डिस्कस करने वाला हूं, बट उससे पहले ये जो समाचार है उससे रिलेटेड वोकैबुलरी एज पर द प्रीवियस पैटर्न ऑफ द वीडियोस ऑफ टेक, लेट मी शेयर विद यू द वोकैबुलरी पोर्शन फर्स्ट। और वोकैबुलरी पोर्शन के लिए, वोकैबुलरी बिल्डिंग के लिए आप सभी वोकैबुलरी लवर्स के लिए एक बहुत बेहतरीन न्यूज़ है कि वोकैबुलरी पोर्शन को टेक के माध्यम से हम एडवांस लेवल पे लेके जा रहे हैं और उसके लिए सिलेक्टेड बुक्स की, जो सिलेक्टेड अच्छी किताबें हैं इंग्लिश की, उनकी कंप्लीट वोकैबुलरी आपसे आने वाले टाइम में टेक के माध्यम से शेयर करेंगे। उम्मीद है कि आप टेक पर बने रहेंगे और हमारे जो एफर्ट्स हैं फॉर द नोबल कॉज ऑफ डिसेमिनेशन ऑफ नॉलेज उसका भरपूर फायदा उठाते रहेंगे और आगे भी इस ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म को प्रमोट करते रहेंगे। So here comes today's vocabulary, and we start with the first slide. Today my emphasis would be more on the article, and vocabulary portion is not as bigger as it was yesterday. Fervently, in a way that shows very strong and sincere feelings about something. We fervently hope they will succeed. Havoc, a situation in which things are seriously damaged, disturbed or very confused. एक ऐसी स्थिति, havoc means एक ऐसी स्थिति जिसके अंदर बहुत सारा serious damage हो जाता है, that is havoc. For example, the maelstrom, the ongoing maelstrom of the pandemic is creating havoc on humanity. Persuasive is, it's derived from the word persuade, which means to convince. So persuasive is one who is able to convince somebody to believe or to do something. Nuggets, nugget is the root word, nuggets is the plural. So nugget means a small thing such as an idea or a fact that people think of as valuable. कोई valuable idea, कोई valuable विचार, that is nugget. pithy, ये particularly comments or piece of writing में use होता है, that is short but expressed well and full of meaning. A pithy advertising slogan. A pithy advertising slogan. Next is sparsely, without with only small amounts, बहुत ही कम मात्रा में, or numbers of something, often separate over a large area. He adds sparsely and no frills. Frill is things that are not necessary but are added to make something more attractive or interesting. For example, frill के लिए कैसा, frill is a kind of cloth that is decorated and that is used in addition to your proper dress up. तो वो piece of cloth भी है और खाने में भी frills, जो एक्स्ट्रा फ्रिल्स हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं उन्हीं से रिलेटेड है. Hubris, the fact of being too proud, बहुत ज्यादा घमंडी होना। और लिटरेचर में अगर इसका इस्तेमाल हम देखें तो हब्रिस एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर है जो वार्निंग्स को और लॉज को इग्नोर करता है। उसकी क्वालिटी है कि वो लॉज को और वार्निंग्स को इग्नोर करता है और उसका रिजल्ट होता है डाउनफॉल और डेथ, या तो फिर उसकी मौत होती है या उसका पतन होता है। He thought he was above the law and was ultimately punished for his hubris. Word combinations and phrases from this article, wealth of ground truth. Sing song voice, a beautiful expression, might be used for a beautiful voice. Sing song voice, the nightingale is known for its sing song voice. Grassroots wisdom, foot march, padyatra. Infectious smile, smile is always infectious. If you smile, provided the other person is equally humanitarian, he would also smile. So it has the greatest range of infection. And even in these times, comically one can say that what is more infectious than coronavirus? Certainly the answer would be your smile. Nuggets of wisdom, pithy one-liners such as ecology is permanent economy, ecological sanity. So these were the word combinations and phrases which you can learn and can use them in your writings or in your daily speaking. Now coming to this article that is about the life and messages of Sundarlal Bahuguna. He was born in pre-independent India in 1927. 1927 में उनका जन्म हुआ. Gandhi was his mentor. That's why he was a Gandhian follower. And he used to live in a Siliara ashram, which was open for the young people with whom he used to interact on ecological issues. जो इकोलॉजिकल अवेयरनेस है उसको बढ़ाने के लिए सिलियारा आश्रम जो टेहरी गढ़वाल में है वो हमेशा यंगस्टर्स के लिए खुला रहता था. And one of the greatest inspirations in his life was his wife Vimla Ji, who worked for India's struggle for freedom, caste discrimination, and untouchability. And apart from being the founder of Chipko movement, Hug the Tree movement in 1970s, which was a very big movement for which he sat on hunger strikes, and he did so many activities for saving the trees. And Sundarlal Bahuguna was a traveler. He toured the breadth and length of the country, carrying his message of saving the Himalayas, whomsoever listened to him. सुंदरलाल बहुगुणा एक ट्रैवलर थे. उन्होंने पूरे भारत का भ्रमण किया और जो भी कोई उनकी बात सुनता उनसे वो हिमालयाज को बचाने की बात करते. चिपको मूवमेंट के साथ साथ उन्होंने कुछ ऐसे मूवमेंट्स थे, पर्टिकुलरली मूवमेंट्स लेड बाय वुमेन इन द हिल्स अगेंस्ट लिकर माफियाज, उनको उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया. सुंदरलाल बहुगुणा जी सपोर्टेड बीज बचाओ आंदोलन, सेविंग द सीड, particularly to protect Himalayan biodiversity from the chemical intensive green revolution. जो chemical intensive green revolution थी उसके जो दुष्परिणाम पड़ने वाले थे हिमालयाज पर, उनसे जो हिमालयन बायोडाइवर्सिटी को जो खतरा था उससे बचाने के लिए उन्होंने बीज बचाओ आंदोलन को भी सपोर्ट किया. और महिलाओं के द्वारा जो लिकर माफियाज के खिलाफ जो आंदोलन थे उनमें भी उनको भी उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया. इसके अलावा like his mentor Mahatma Gandhi, like his mentor Gandhi ji, he was skilled, he was deft, he was very dexterous in coming up with one-liners, pithy one-liners, like ecology is permanent economy, ecology एक permanent अर्थव्यवस्था है. इस प्रकार के वो pithy one-liners जैसा कि slogans में, advertising slogans में होता है, इस प्रकार के pithy one-liners कंपोज करने में वो माहिर थे. और इसके साथ साथ जो सबसे बड़ी बात है जो हमने कहा कि हम उनके जीवन से क्या सीख सकते हैं, देखिए जो उन्होंने मूवमेंट्स किए, बीइंग एन एक्टिविस्ट or going to lead a movement, a mass movement, is not everybody's cup of tea. But certainly there are things which we can learn from someone. For example, we cannot be Gandhi, as Gandhi led the freedom, the movement for India's freedom in such a huge manner. But certainly we can take up so many things from his life if we read experiments, my experiments with truth or Hind Swaraj, and we can imbibe those values in our lives to make this world a beautiful place to live in. Similar is the case with all good people like Sundarlal Bahuguna. So he was always clad in khadi, we may. And secondly, he ate sparsely but healthily, no frills. And when he dies, so there comes one tweet of Jairam Ramesh, who has been or who is ex-environment minister. So he tweets and he mentions in that tweet that he has considerable influence on Indira Gandhi, and his 4,000 kilometer Padyatra foot march from Kashmir to Kohima was a landmark. And it was landmark because it was focused on heightening public awareness. So his life is a great message. Even the writer feels that it's better that we died because of the traumatic times. The traumatic times because of the hubris for Dham yatras and explosive projects like hydroelectricity in Himalayan range. So we can eat sparsely but healthily. This is the one message. We can be simple, and he was never in anger. If he was angry, his anger would subside very soon. So not being angry, eating healthy and sparsely, eating less, these are some of the basic things which we can apply in our lives to make them better ones. So I hope you must imbibe some of the values which Sundarlal Bahuguna not only preached, but he lived. His life was well lived. He practiced what he preached. So this even stops us or saves us from being a dual personality who speaks something else and practices something else. We can practice what we preach. We can eat less but healthy, and we can be simple. We can live up our anger. These are some of the values that we can learn from Sundarlal Bahuguna. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed it, please mention or whatever comes to your mind, write that in comment box, and subscribe the channel if you are new on it. And if you find it worth promoting, kindly share the channel with your friends. Thank you.